Yung fog na yan, di ko napapansin. Baka yung fog na yan, boss, sa ibang bansa lang yan.
Is there something going on with this fog and then people getting sick? Because hear me out. About 4 or 5 days ago, I was on TikTok and one of my friends had posted that there had been fog in her area for the last 3 to 4 days before that. And she was talking about how it is there in the morning and
Ay
lasts all
talaga?
day into
Legit
the
yan?
night,
Bird flu na nag-mutate?
and it hasn't like gone away in 3 to 4 days. And I was like, huh,
Pero feeling ko hindi na-afford ng mundo ngayon na magkaroon pa ng another lockdown katulad ng COVID. Feeling ko magko-collapse na talaga pag nagkaroon pa ng another lockdown tulad ng COVID. Tapos yung US magpiprint na naman ng sobrang daming pera and magkakaroon ng inflation rate, pero yung pinaka-apektado ng inflation rate is yung bansa na naka-rely sa US, which is for example yung Pilipinas. Hindi naman talaga masyadong naapekto. Dapat ang magkakaroon lang ng inflation rate kapag nag-print ng madaming pera yung bansa is yung bansa lang. Pero dahil nga US yun, nakadepende halos lahat ng goods sa US in terms of parang trading sa buong mundo. US kasi talaga yung ginagamit. Kahit oil, di ko lang sure. Kasi parang pinapalitan na rin nila yung pinaka-currency na kailangan para sa oil. So kaya nagkakaroon ng inflation rate sa buong mundo yung naapektuhan nun. Nag-print sila ng sobrang dami.
that's weird. I wonder if she lives anywhere near me because I'm in southeast Nebraska and it had been doing exactly that for the last 3 to 4 days here as well. So I go in her comments and no, she's not from here. I believe she said she was from Houston or something. But then I look at her other comments and people from all over the United States are talking about they have also experienced fog morning all the way to night for the last 3 to 4 days before this as well. And I commented and I was like, that's strange. Like, how do I come into somebody's comment section and people from Pennsylvania and Houston and southeastern Nebraska and Colorado are all experiencing this fog morning to night, doesn't go away for the last 3 to 4 days, and we are geographically in very different areas. That's strange. Didn't really think much of it, right? Other than that. Then a while, like the next day, I'm scrolling and I see somebody else talk about this. And so I go into their comment section. Again, now.
Sa atin ba sa Pilipinas may fog? Parang wala naman, no? Parang laging sa ibang bansa may nangyayari. Meron daw alien, kung ano-ano. Sa Pilipinas, parang wala, boss. Parang sa Cavite lang lagi may kababalagan.
People, Oregon, Florida, like all over the place are saying that they've experienced this exact same thing. I understand it's cold and flu season, whatever. This could be just a weird coincidence, but now I'm seeing a lot of my friends and people that I'm, follow and stuff on social media talking about being sick, this red sore throat, really bad. I myself have been under the weather for the last 5 days. Nothing severe, nothing like what other people are reporting, but like a scratchy throat. You can kind of hear it in my voice. Just kind of more tired and things like that. And I just don't know. It's just strange. It's just strange. The fog itself was strange. I even thought it was strange just when I thought it was just here in southeast Nebraska where I am. When it wouldn't leave for 3 to 4 days, I was like, that is strange. And then I start seeing all these people on social media talking about they're all over the country and they're experiencing the same kind of fog. Makes you think.
Okay, so you guys have sent in some really wild stuff this time.
Seriously wild.
Videos, social media posts. I even saw a couple of local news clips.
Right.
All about this strange fog
Saan lugar
that
to?
seems to be blanketing everything.
Yeah.
It's popping up everywhere, from Connecticut to Hawaii.
And it's even overseas, too.
I mean, it's not just,
Yeah.
a typical morning
US.
mist either. People are saying
Is
it's
there something going on
really
with this?
thick and it just sticks.
Mysterious fog has been seen all over the United States at early hours of the morning, and people are getting concerned. Like in
Di ba parang ano lang yan? Alikabok?
this video here, you can see there's all kinds of little particles floating around, and it doesn't act or smell like normal fog. People are concerned that it might be chemical fog. 40 states have reported seeing this
Ayun,
fog.
lala nga,
Here
no?
you can see it kind of looks a little bit more like normal fog. That's because it's being lit by the light in the sky. But when it's darker and you use a flashlight, then you can see it's little particles that are floating around. It doesn't usually come at night, but only in the early hours of the morning, like from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. And people are saying it's happened in cities where
Chemical
they've seen
fog.
drones flying around, and they're kind of concerned that it has something to do with it. But I think the thing that's concerning most people is the fact that it has a very distinct and weird smell, sort of like chemicals. Dense fog is one thing, but when they introduce a new smell, that raises
Oo,
reasons.
nakatakot naman to, pre.
But it's
Legit
this
kaya
video
yan?
right here that I find the most frightening because those particles do not look normal to me. But what do you guys think?
Ito.
Have you seen any
Debunk.
fog?
Ito may debunk. Ito mas maganda, boss, para mas maano natin. Pero medyo
These are
mabalance.
real signs that are marking a dangerous turn for our planet, as the fog might have just turned into a deadly bioweapon that has now completely spread through our planet. People were terrified after reports of an eerie, thick fog completely blanketing almost every continent on our planet, with reports of the fog not just staying there for over 5 days, but allegedly burning people's noses, throats, and eyes. Haunting footage shows not only one woman after getting her car washed, seeing black film on the car after just leaving it there from the fog.
And
I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but if you've got a white car, the fucking
Di kaya may
car
vulkan malapit sa kanila?
doesn't stay white for any longer than a day. Like, look at all this. I went and got this car cleaned 5 days ago. Look at that.
Bird box, magkaka-bird box na dito. Parang mas malapit sa Silent Hill, boss eh.
Even people being told to not drive and planes being unable to take off, with many people alleging they have heard sounds from inside the fog, and it even smelling like chemicals, to which many believe it's being artificially made as a bioweapon to pollute our air
Bioweapon, chemical weapon nga rin, sabi nung iba.
to end us. However, these rumors are not true, just coincidences, and the rumor is just coming from high humidity and low temperatures with no winds to move it.
Mysterious fog has started to show up all across the country.
Ang dami, no? Parang hindi isang tao lang na-experience.
Ever since the Dior bag stopped showing up in the sky, people have started to see fog at their house all across the country.
Ang hirap pa naman, hirap pa naman pigilan pag nakahalo sa hangin yung problema.
Literally from all corners of America, people are walking outside their house, seeing fog like this, but saying that it has oddly big particles in it. Florida, Pennsylvania, Minnesota, California, and Texas, and basically all over the country, people are reporting the same thick particle fog. Some people are saying that it's making them
China kaya may gawa. Pili
smells
ko
like
hindi.
chemicals, and it's
Parang
not
masyadong masama naman magbintang.
normal. And what are the odds that it's the exact
Florida, Pennsylvania, Minnesota, California, Texas, basically all over the country, people are reporting the same thick particle fog. They say it's making them feel sick. Smells like chemicals and it's not normal. What are the odds? Wala bang bulkan malapit sa kanila?
same looking stuff everywhere? This is the video somebody took yesterday morning in Florida at 6:30, and this is not snow. They don't know what this is. This person said this fog is everywhere, and it's not just fog. It's like someone spraying something weird. My throat's been killing me since it rolled in. Anyone else notice this chemical smell? It's not natural. Feels like we're in a sci-fi movie where the air is not safe anymore. No one has been able to say exactly what this fog is or why people are able to see it all across the country, but I want you guys to let me know, have you seen this fog yet?
Marami lang nag-barbecue, no? Pero nakakatakot yung ganyan. Pero, ano yan, abantayan natin or abangan natin yung mga susunod na video na lalabas. Babantayan natin, boss, para updated tayo.
These are real